Looking for easy ways to make money online in 2023? Welcome to the digital age, where opportunities to earn are no longer confined to traditional 9-to-5 jobs. The digital revolution has not only transformed the way we live, but also how we earn. It has opened up a myriad of opportunities to make money from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere for that matter, as long as you have an internet connection. Today, we are going to explore 10 easy ideas to make money online in the coming year. From freelancing and online tutoring to blogging and selling products online, there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or embark on a new career, these ideas could be your ticket to financial freedom. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the exciting world of online earning. Stay tuned to discover some innovative and easy ways to boost your income online. Idea number 1. Freelancing. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and choosing the projects you want to work on. That's freelancing in a nutshell. As a freelancer, you're essentially selling your skills as a service to clients all over the world. You could be a graphic designer, a writer, a programmer, or even a virtual assistant. The possibilities are endless. What makes freelancing so appealing is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere, anytime. All you need is a reliable internet connection and a skill that's in demand. And with platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, it's easier than ever to get started. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for their services. So if you have a knack for writing, a flair for design, or a talent for coding, why not turn that into a source of income? Remember, if you have a skill, freelancing can be an excellent way to monetize it. Idea number 2, online tutoring. Now, this is an avenue that has seen a massive surge in demand. Whether it's primary school math, high school science, university-level economics, or even a language, there's someone out there looking to learn what you know. The beauty of online tutoring is that you can do it from anywhere in the world, at any time. All you need is a stable internet connection and a knack for teaching. There are several platforms where you can sign up as an online tutor. Websites like Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, VIPKid, and many more are always on the lookout for talented educators. You'd be surprised at how rewarding it can be, both financially and personally, to help someone else grasp a concept they've been struggling with. So if you have a gift for explaining complex ideas in simple terms, why not share it with the world? Online tutoring is a great way to share your knowledge and earn money. Idea number 3, affiliate marketing. Now let's dive into this intriguing concept. Affiliate marketing is essentially a performance-based business where you can earn a commission by promoting other companies' products or services. It's like being a middleman, but in the digital world. You partner with brands that align with your audience's interests, promote their products on your website or social media platforms, and earn a piece of the profit from each sale that you make. The process begins with you choosing a product you like, then promoting it to others while earning a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. You'll be given a unique link that tracks back to your account with your affiliate partner. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you'll receive a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require you to produce your own products or services. With affiliate marketing, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Idea number 4, blogging. Blogging, the classic online venture. It's been around for a while, and yet it remains a fantastic way to generate income. Blogging is all about sharing your thoughts, ideas, knowledge, or experiences with the world. So how does one get started? Well, it's quite simple. You can set up your blog on platforms like WordPress or Blogger, choose a topic you're passionate about, and start writing. Now let's talk about money. How does blogging turn into a cash cow? There are several ways. One popular method is through advertising. You can place ads on your blog and earn money each time they're clicked. Another way is through sponsored posts, where companies pay you to write about their products or services. You can also sell digital products or even memberships to exclusive content. Blogging can be a fun and profitable way to share your thoughts and experiences. Idea number 5, selling products online. Now, the digital age has given rise to a booming e-commerce industry, providing a golden opportunity for individuals to monetize their skills, interests, or just the stuff they have lying around. You might have a knack for creating handmade products, or perhaps you've got a collection of vintage items gathering dust. Or maybe you're a whiz with digital products like graphic designs or ebooks. Well, you're in luck. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon have made it easier than ever to set up shop and reach millions of potential customers worldwide. Etsy is a haven for handmade goods and vintage items. eBay is perfect for selling just about anything. And Amazon, the world's largest online retailer, is ideal for a wide range of products. So why not turn your hobby into a business? Selling products online can turn your hobby into a lucrative business. Idea number 6, stock photography. Now, what exactly is stock photography? Well, it's simply the supply of photographs licensed for specific uses. These can be anything from a picture of a serene beach to an image of a bustling city street. You can create these images and sell them online. How, you ask? It's as simple as uploading your high-quality photos to stock photo websites. Websites like Shutterstock and iStock are popular platforms where businesses, advertisers, and creatives source images for their projects. So, if you have a knack for capturing stunning visuals, this could be your ticket to earning online. The beauty of stock photography is that once you've uploaded your photos, they can be sold to multiple clients over and over again. This means passive income for you. So, dust off that camera of yours and start clicking. If you love photography, selling stock photos can be a great source of passive income. Idea number 7, social media management. In the digital era of 2023, social media isn't just about posting selfies and pet photos. It's a vital tool for businesses to connect with their customers, build their brand, and drive sales. That's where social media managers come into play. They are the wizards behind the curtain, creating engaging content, responding to comments, analyzing performance, and strategizing for future campaigns. But how do you make money as a social media manager? Well, you can start by offering your services to local businesses that might not have the time or expertise to manage their own social media accounts. You can set your own rates based on the number of platforms you'll manage and the level of engagement the business desires. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree. All you need is a good understanding of different social media platforms and a knack for engaging with people online. Social media management can be a fantastic online job if you enjoy being on social media platforms. Idea number 8, online surveys and reviews. Ever wonder how companies manage to improve their products or services? They do it through valuable customer feedback. Yes, your opinion matters. And the best part? Many companies are willing to pay for it. This is where online surveys and reviews come in. These platforms allow you to share your thoughts and experiences about a product or service, and in exchange, you get paid. The process is simple. You sign up on a survey or review site, answer questions or write reviews, and voila, you earn money. Whether it's about your favorite brand of cereal, the latest smartphone, or even your last holiday trip, your feedback can make a difference. And not just for the companies, but for your wallet too. So if you're someone who enjoys sharing their thoughts and opinions, online surveys and reviews can be an easy way to make some extra cash. Idea number 9, virtual assistants. Let's dive into the fascinating world of virtual assistants. A virtual assistant, or VA for short, is a professional who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. It's like being an office assistant, but from the comfort of your own home. So what skills do you need? Well, it's all about organization, time management, and excellent communication. You might be managing emails, scheduling appointments, or even handling social media accounts. Proficiency in tools like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and project management software can also be a huge plus. So, where can you find these job opportunities? Numerous online platforms connect VAs with clients. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Zirtual are just a few places to start. Remember, it's all about showcasing your skills and being proactive. If you're organized and good at administrative tasks, becoming a virtual assistant could be a great fit for you. And finally, idea number 10, starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is not just a platform for entertainment, it's a potential goldmine for those who can tap into its vast audience. Starting a YouTube channel is as easy as creating a Google account. The real challenge lies in creating engaging content that resonates with viewers. You could consider sharing your expertise, vlogging, or even creating fun DIY videos. The possibilities are truly endless. Once you've built up a substantial following, you can start to monetize your channel. Ad revenue is one option, where you earn money based on the number of views and clicks on ads in your videos. Sponsorships are another great way to earn, where brands pay you to promote their products or services in your content. Don't forget about Super Chat and channel memberships, where your subscribers can support you financially. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and creative way to make money online. And there you have it, 10 easy ways to make money online in 2023. From freelancing to online tutoring, each of these opportunities offers a unique way to leverage your skills and interests. With affiliate marketing, blogging, or selling products online, you can turn your passion into profit. Stock photography, social media management, and online surveys and reviews provide additional avenues for income. Not to forget, the role of a virtual assistant or starting your own YouTube channel can also be a rewarding and lucrative endeavor. Each of these 10 ideas presents a world of possibilities, waiting for you to explore and make your mark. It's all about finding what fits you best and taking that leap of faith. With persistence and a bit of creativity, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Remember, the digital world is full of opportunities. All you need to do is take the first step. Good luck!